Hey everyone, today I'm going to take you around the estate to check out all the amenities of the building. And the amenities are what really made us decide on this building because they are incredible. The best we've seen in all of Kuala Lumpur. And make sure to stay till the end where I show you my favorite amenity, the sky pools. For those of you who are new here, I'm Andy, and I recently moved my family from San Francisco to Kuala Lumpur. Please follow and subscribe if you want to see more content about our lives in this amazing city. This is the lobby of Building B. As you can see, very tall ceilings, very nice wooden facades. It smells quite good in here. It reminds me of a resort or hotel. This is supposed to be like a hotel lobby, so you see some light fixtures. That's quite interesting. Plenty of space to sit and wait for your guests or just chit chat. I think these are actually service pipes, but they look cool. Here's the package room. What I love about this is the packages are kept safe here. There's always a guard here, and you just sign out the packages for your unit. And then here is the mail room. I haven't checked the mail yet. And then here is the lounge. So you can, being clean right now, but it's a nice little lounge for if you want to entertain. And over there is the daycare. And when Aria is a little bit older, we'll try to get her into that daycare. And then we'll have a daycare just downstairs. Interesting seats. Here I'm inside the indoor court. So they already have a badminton net set up. I believe you can just lower that and make it a pickleball net. Lots of windows, good lighting, and the AC is off right now, but I can turn that on if I'm actually using it. And you could have dance classes or any other activities. And you have these mirrors for those things. Here's the mail room. It's a very well-lit mail room with mailboxes nicely arranged. I guess these are special. Not sure what they're for, really. But here are all the mailboxes. This here is the residence lounge. It's just a lounge for everyone to use. Come in here, have a chat, hang out. It's pretty cool. I like the artwork here. The lighting's very soft. And a nice sized room, so you can have a little casual dinner party, happy hour with friends, or play some board games. There's a little table here for having a coffee and having a chat. So all this is free to use for residents. And this connects to the back where you have seating and more gardens and walkways. And then now here, we have a games room. I haven't used it yet, but I will hopefully soon. They have a foosball table, a Marvel arcade game, a small pool table, and a Street Fighter game. I just turned it on and turns out it is an emulator. So it has a ton of games. Wow. This is just A games. Holy crap. This would be fun to come here and just play some games. It has 334 pages of games. Oh, Chase HQ, I remember this game. All right, I'm gonna play some right now. We're gonna quickly check out the gym. The gym is open 5 a.m. to midnight. Wow, all right. Everything is key card access. It's quite a large gym and lots of equipment, but really what's nice is you have the view of the gardens. It's plenty of equipment to use, and space over here for the various exercises you want to do, balls, bands, treadmills, boxing, lots of stuff. You have to push exit. I just found this meeting room. I didn't know this existed. It comes with projector screen, air conditioning, a large table. So if you need to have a meeting here, you can. With actually pretty nice windows overlooking the garden. Yeah, I think these are reservable by residents. And there's the management office. Here is the yoga room. I've not seen this room being used yet. Very cool ceiling feature here. Nice soft lighting. Plenty of space for yoga or anything else you might want to do. And this is just a sitting area if you want to rest. And yeah, those lights in the corner are pretty cool. Maybe I'll use this at some point. Here's the meditation room. Kind of like the yoga room a bit, with these big mirrors, ceiling features. Maybe I'll come and meditate, I'm not sure. Now heading back towards the pool area. You can see the kid pool and the family pool over there. And then on this floor, there's just a bunch of different function rooms. So this is one. Looks like it's gonna go for a dinner party or a birthday party or something like that. Keep walking down this way. Here you see the main pool. You can watch your kids from up here. Another function room, very similar to the last one. Maybe they'll do like a dinner party here. I don't know. We'll see. Let's go in. These interesting lights, tall tables, long counter. Maybe just board games. But nice view of the pool and the grounds. So figure out what to do with this later. Even the elevator lobbies are very well thought out. Now I will show you my favorite part of this building, the rooftop. It's on the 45th floor. Let's take a look. Lots of green as usual. And there you go. This is one of the best views you can get in Bangsar South. You can see the mountains over there in the distance. Downtown. You can see Merdeka right there, the tallest building in Malaysia, the second tallest building in the world. And then you have lots of green hills over there. That's kind of what I wanted, is views of green. I didn't want to see just tall buildings everywhere, but plenty of tall buildings. This is the view from the rooftop. Here we have the outdoor lounge. So you can sit here, chill. These could be tables, could be seating. And this is the indoor lounge on the rooftop. I love this lounge. Comes with a kitchen, well, a fridge and a sink. But you can do dinner party here, drinks, socialize. Very comfortable seating with amazing view. Over here you have some space to relax. Like this is a nice spot to just chill, huh? Yeah, enjoy that. You can also take a nap if you want. Here's a good table for board games. I imagine if I have people over for board games, you'll be here. You put your drinks there, snacks there, and you're having a fun time. Let's go outside now. Here's the elevator lobby. And down here is the sauna and steam room. So they're for men and women, separate. So here's the bathroom, which looks kind of like a high-end spa, in my opinion. So you have your changing rooms and restrooms here. Okay, no need to see toilets. Here's the steam room. The light is on. Oh, light's on. Someone's been using it recently, I think. Lots of people, big space. And then here is the sauna. Turn the lights on. We've been using this. Archer really likes the sauna. It gets quite hot in here. So coming from the elevator lobby in this view, we have the rooftop pool. This is a much shallower pool, but what do you need a big pool here for? This is great for just sitting around and relaxing, enjoying the view. Again, these nice little pods for resting. I rarely ever see people up here. So all the time that I've been up here, I've been the only person with Archer. Here is the shower for rinsing yourself up before and after swimming. And this pool has a fun feature, which is jets. That's nice, huh? Enjoy that. And here you have a barbecue area where you can have barbecue set up in that table over there. You have all these chairs and tables, so it's a good place to have a party, entertain. Currently under renovation, but hopefully it'll be ready soon. And there you guys have it. Is the rooftop, my favorite part of this building. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the amenities of the estate. I hope you enjoyed the tour and have a good sense of what the building has to offer. If you have any questions about living at the estate or living in KL in general, please make sure to put that in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions about our experience. In the coming weeks, I want to make more content about our lives in the city, things we enjoy, things we are struggling with, and everything in between. So please follow, and I'll see you next time.